In today's video, I will be teaching you guys 2 of the most important trading tips that you're going to need to know to be a successful trader. Now, essentially, when it comes down to trading, besides all of the indicators that you're using, the awesome oscillator, the stochastic, the RSI, besides all of those indicators, these are the most 2 important methods that are going to make you win most of your trades, guys, because a lot of these indicators, at least 80% of these indicators, are lagging indicators. What this means is that these indicators are looking at the chart and then it's giving you a lag. It's giving you previous history of what those candlesticks are doing. So that means that it's not going to predict the future of what those candlesticks are going to do in the future. But the 2 methods I'm going to show you today will predict the future so you can get the most accurate entries. We all know we want to make this money the easy way, and this is Black Investors Group, where I will help you make the money the easiest way possible. All I would need is just a like, guys. But with all that being said, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the 2 main methods that I want to go over with you guys today is called buying power, and then we have volume. So buying power and volume goes hand in hand, guys, and this will predict the future of what these charts is gonna do, and it will give you an in-depth analysis of what trades you need to play. So let's hop straight into the desktop, and I'm gonna show you guys some live analysis so you can make the best trades. All you have to do is follow along, guys. Don't skip anything, and just remember, trading is not always 100%. Even though you have all of the strategies, all of the indicators telling you the right thing, you can still lose trades because the market can always do whatever it wants to do. And always know that your emotions and your hesitation because of your psychological pathways, guys, you don't want to hesitate. If you're confident enough that that graph is gonna go a certain way, up or down, guys, place that trade as soon as your gut feels that the chart is gonna move up or down, and you will be successful. But if you do wait for those couple seconds just to make sure, sometimes you can lose that trade in just the last second, especially when trading binary options. Before we get started with this video, please go in the link in the description and check out all of my useful links, guys. We do have ebooks on how to boost your credit fast, how to make money online, and how to start up a 6-figure trucking business, guys, and all niches you need. We got ebooks for it. And also, you can schedule a coaching call with me for only $10 for a 10 to 30 minute conversation, and I will answer all of your questions that you need, and I will even help you get your businesses started, whether it's starting an online business or starting up a dispatching trucking business. As you can see, man, we got Tesla pulled up over on the desktop, and at the bottom here is where you can see the volume of what's going on in this chart, guys. This is the key money right here. So as you can see, the buying power is what the candles are doing in the previous moment, the buying power of who's buying, who's selling in this previous moment. So this is at 6:27 right now, guys. It is currently, well, this isn't my time frame, but guys, this is 6:27 and 1905, so 7 o'clock, guys, in 5 minutes. So about 30 minutes later, we are on a constant downtrend, and as you can see, you know, clear downtrend, guys. We got the Keltner channel right here, or the Bollinger Bands, whatever you want to call it, but these are Bollinger Bands right here. And we have the average in the middle, and the candles are staying under this average. It's starting to touch back right here, and then it's trying to go up. And as you can see, we have a lot of red volume at the bottom here, because this is the volume. So when you see a lot of green candles right here, a lot of green bars, that means the volume is more of a uptrend. See, it's supporting and resisting all along through here. And as you can see down here, we start our red, so we have a big red bar on these 2 red candles right here, and now we have a lot of selling volume, guys, and a lot of selling buying power because it's going down. And now, as you can see, we're starting to spike back up. We're above this middle line in the Bollinger Bands, and we're trying to pass out of this line. But more than likely, what it's gonna do is it's gonna bounce back from this line unless it just decides to shoot all the way up. But as you can see, we are now on a green bar on the volume, guys. So the main thing you want to do is make sure you have analyzed this bars down here, guys, which is the volume. You can see, obviously, if it's a green bar, you probably want to go with the trend and place a up trade. And if it is a red bar, you want to go down with the trend and just stay with the trend, guys, because most of the time, you know what I'm saying, the trend always wins. So you just want to make sure that you're always paying attention to these bars down here, no matter what indicators you got, guys. We can go over here to pocket option, and this is where I trade my binary options. And guys, no matter what indicators you got, no matter all of this stuff right here, as you can see, we got our Keltner channel in blue, we have a zigzag line, we got 2 moving averages, we got stochastic, guys, a stochastic, my fault, an oscillator, and we also have fractals and a parabolic SAR. So if you don't know what all that is, man, you know what I'm saying, you can just screenshot this right here, and this is all my indicators. But pretty much these indicators don't mean nothing because they are lagging indicators. So it does help you decide what you want to do with your trade and what's going to happen in the future. It does give you extra signs, but this volume, guys, and this buying power is going to be your main bread and butter. So as you can see, we're starting to go up, and these bars are on the green bars. So if you want to be a simple trader, either day trading, Forex, or even binary options, you would just have to simply pay attention to these bars right here and pay attention to what it's doing on the trend. So as you can see, we're starting to open up with a red candle. Most of the times, I want to say most of the times, not all the time, but most of the times you see this green candle, 2 green candles, you're gonna get a red candle to support and resist that equally. So since we're on a downtrend, guys, what I mean by this is we're on a downtrend. Now we have, you know, some green candles coming up. So this red candle is going to probably want to come back down here and touch this line right here on this green candle. So this is Tesla, guys. I'm going to show you actually some things that I was doing a week ago. So this is good for, you know, long-term Forex. But this is the chart that I made a week ago, and this is a big strategy that I like to go over to get the most accurate entries, especially for Forex, guys. And this strategy is almost 100%. Like, if you follow this strategy correctly, and it pops up all the time, you can maximize your profits and be a very successful day trader, Forex, and even binary. So right here, guys, we do have my jibble jabble right here, man. As you can see, I drew up a bunch of zones, and I have a M formation. So you can see this sort of zigzag. You can see my M crossing. So we had an M formation, and this was about a week ago. I want to say probably 8 or 9 days ago, probably. And we had an M formation. And on these M and on these W's, the M means that this chart can go all the way down. As you can see, we went all the way down on this M right here. Let's go. As you can see, guys, we have the M right here. We got a small little M right here. As you can see, it's jibble jabbled up because of all what's going on and how long these candles are. But once you draw your lines out, you can see this much more clearly. So you can see this M formation right here, and it's going down, guys. We have a clear downtrend. And if this was Forex, if you guys made this trade at this moment where you see this M, at this zone right here, you can see I had the zones perfect. You know, the candles touch right here 3 times, and now we shot all the way down. You know, this is where the perfect M formed, and the perfect trade will be right here, or the perfect trade will be somewhere up in this zone, because you know it's gonna spike down again, guys, because it's on a perfect M formation. So once you see that M, we're gonna go all the way down here, and now you see a bunch of support and resistance. But what do you see right here, guys? Somebody tell me in the comments what y'all see right here, man. Let me know. But anyways, y'all see a W, man. We got a big W right here. So I'm gonna draw this line, and we have a big W right here, dude. Like, I know y'all see this. I know y'all see this big W right here, man. It's obvious. I can see it, and I ain't even draw the line yet. You know what I mean? But yeah, so we got this W right here, and now we've shot all the way back up to try to reach back to this M right here, or this support and resistance zone right here. So now a week later, we are trying to reach back up. So let's just say you check this chart 5 days ago, boom, you see that you're all the way here in the green, guys. You've put a sell position, you've made money on this trade. Now once this W starts to open back up, like I said, man, get my zones out. You want to test out these zones right here. And boom, this is where these wicks touched at right there, you know, at the top. So now you want to place your trade right here, guys, at this 270 mark, and boom, now we're going up. And even though we're going back down on this couple days, like this looks like probably the last day or so, we're trying to support and resist. I still see a W about to form, guys. It's still about to swoop down right here. Boom, swooping down, and then boom, now we got the short wick right there. Now we got the short wick right here. So this could tell me that either we could come back up in a couple minutes here, maybe yeah, in a couple minutes here. Since we're on a downtrend and we're supporting and resisting, we could come back up just a little bit to finish this line out, probably around right here. I want to say we can come back up for a couple more minutes, and then boom, it's gonna start to try to come down to hit that W. Once it hits this zone up in here, this area, it's gonna try to spike right back up to make that W formation, and then, you know, that's a perfect position for a buy, because now we're gonna get right back in our zones of where we was at a week ago, guys. So this is the best technical analysis for volume and buying power, guys. You just want to make sure that you know that, you know, the chart is going down. As you can see, we're going down, we're going down, we're going all the way down. We have a bunch of red bars. So that tells us we need to sell, man. We need to sell, catch that trend. Now, boom, we have a big doji candle right here, long wick, short body, and boom, 2 green candles to support it. We have green bars. That tells us we're going up. Now we want to ride this wave to go up. And like I said, on this chart right here, it's probably going to want to come back to this line out of the Bollinger Bands. It's probably going to touch out of the Bollinger Bands and then come back down to maybe even, yeah, probably to this zone right here where these candles touch right here. It'll come back down and then it'll spike back up and make that perfect W formation, and then we will have instant money, man. But yeah, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna make this channel hit 100K. And if you found this video helpful, man, drop in the comments of what you want to learn next. And until tomorrow, I'll see y'all later. Woo!